needed a little more room on my bathroom counter, so I decided to make a little riser to hold some of my essentials. I found this flat, round stoneware piece in my stash. I'm not sure when I got it or even where I got it, but I thought it would make a great top for my riser. I decided to paint the round with Waverly Moss chalk paint, and I dried it with my hot air gun. I had the sticker left over from another DIY and thought it would look great on this riser, even though it wouldn't be seen that often. I placed the sticker in the center of the riser and used a sponge to get out all the air bubbles. I used Mod Podge to seal the riser and protect it. I used a Dollar Tree candle holder for the base of the riser and spray painted it with white spray paint. And then I decided to distress it with some antiquing wax. To attach the bottom of the round, I used Gorilla Glue and hot glue. I had trouble getting the hot glue to hold while the Gorilla Glue set up, so I went around the rim with a bead of hot glue. I wanted to make some little jars to hold my brushes and stuff. I had these two Dollar Tree jars in my stash. I loved the design on them, but I didn't like the gold accent. The first thing I tried was to sand the gold off, but that just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So I decided to take them outside and spray paint them using some white chalk paint. I found this beautiful tissue paper at Dollar Tree and thought it would look great on this mason jar. I applied the tissue paper with Mod Podge and then used antiquing wax to give it a darker color. Once the wax was dry, I applied another layer of Mod Podge to the jar and set it to the side to dry. I painted one of the Dollar Tree jars with Waverly Ballet Slipper chalk paint. I tied a piece of string around the top of the jar and added 3 natural wood beads to each of the hanging strings. I get my wood beads from Amazon. I paid like $16 for a pack of 1,000 beads, which range in size from 6mm to 20mm. I'll leave a link in the description for the beads I always use. I left the other jar white, and I found this pink ribbon in my stash. I hot glued it around the top of the jar, and then hot glued a tiny bow to the front. And just look at how cute. It looks better than all of my stuff just sitting in jars on my counter. And guys, I wanted to let you know that I will be participating in the Red, White, and Blue Challenge hosted by Teresa B. DIY and Unicorn Dust Designs in May. All proceeds made in May will be donated to the Fisher House. Fisher Houses are a home away from home offered at no cost to military and veteran families, allowing them to be together with their loved ones receiving specialized care at military and VA medical centers around the world and ensure they can be a part of the healing process. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other participants in this challenge. Currently, my channel is not monetized, so if you could check out the link in the description and make a small donation, I would really appreciate it. Another way you can show your support is to watch the ads on the other participants' pages. By watching the ads and not skipping them, the ads' revenue will go up, which means the amount they will donate for this challenge will increase. I'll let you know more details about this challenge in the upcoming videos.